reading breaks with farm animals. Are you ready to have fun? Round 1. Look closely at the shadow and try to guess which farm animal it is. What animal is it? That is right, it is a cow. What animal is it? That is right, it is a rabbit. What animal is it? That is right, it is a goat. What animal is it? That is right, it is a rooster. Round 2. Guess the missing letters in the name of certain farm animals. Guess the missing letters. H space space S-E. That is right. The missing letters are O and R, horse. Guess the missing letters. Owl space A space A. That is right. The missing letters are P and C, alpaca. Guess the missing letters. Space, U-R-K, space. That is right. The missing letters T-E and Y, turkey. Round 3. Let's stand up and do a movement that represents each farm animals. Let's move! Flap your arms like wings and bob your head up and down like a pecking hen. Walk with high steps like a llama while humming. Waddle like a duck and make quacking noises.